Good morning, students. Last class we discussed general solution of a linear differential equation, and also we discussed how to solve a linear differential equation. We discussed the last class, we discussed up to problem number 6. Today we will continue with problem number 7. The problem is dy by dx plus secant x into y is equal to tan x. For this differential equation, first observe the coefficient of dy by dx. Here coefficient of dy by dx is 1, so therefore this is in standard form. Now call this as to find general solution for this differential equation. Call this as equation 1. Compare this equation, that is equation 1, with dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Then we have the value of p as secant x and the value of q as tan x. P value barte secant x barte, q value tan x. Both p and q are functions which are free from y variable, so therefore this given differential equation is a linear differential equation in y variable. This differential equation is LDE in y variable. LDE is nothing but linear differential equation. Now to find general solution, first our aim is to find integration factor. Integration factor is equal to, using the formula, e to the power integration of p dx. So this is equal to e to the power integration of p is nothing but what? Secant x. Secant x into dx. Secant x into dx. So this is equal to e to the power integration of secant x formula log of secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x. Log of secant x plus tan x. Now the exponential method log na illa. So those two get cancelled. Illi base irutte. So log na base ide, exponential na base ide, those two get cancelled. Finally we have secant x plus tan x. So this is our integration factor. Okay. So once you are finding integration factor, to find, next we have to find general solution by using that integration factor, general solution. So that is, you know the formula for general solution, that is y into integration factor is equal to, y into integration factor is equal to integration of integration factor into q whole dx plus c. So this is the general formula to find the solution for linear differential equation. Now already we know the value of integration factor and q. Just substitute those values in this equation. Then we have y into integration factor is secant x plus tan x. This is integration factor is equal to integration factor that is secant x plus tan x into q tan x q is tan x into dx. So now this is equal to y into secant x plus tan x is equal to integration of, multiply madri enagutte secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x plus tan x into tan x is tan square x whole dx agutte. This is equal to, split madri integration, on splitting the integration we have integration of secant x into tan x into dx plus integration of tan square x into dx. So this is equal to integration of secant into tan. Secant into tan is nothing but secant x. Integration of secant into tan, differentiation of secant x and secant x into tan x aguttada. So integration of secant x into tan x is secant x. Okay. Plus, so namage tan square x integration gotilla, but we know one of the identity, that is 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x, then tan square x is equal to secant square x and x minus 1. So we don't know the standard, any standard value of integration of tan square x. That's why by using some trigonometric identities, this tan square x can be written as integration of secant square x minus 1 whole dx. ಬರಿಬೋದು ಈಗ, because we know that 1 plus tan square x is secant square x, then tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1 on a kade transform ಮಾಡಿ, it will becomes minus 1. Now this is equal to plus c ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ, plus c plus c plus c plus c. This is equal to secant x plus integration of secant square x into dx is tan x. Differentiation of tan x ಏನು secant square x, then integration of secant square x is tan x. Tan x minus integration of 1 into dx is x minus x plus c. So that is our general solution. Y into secant x plus tan x, y into secant x plus tan x is equal to secant x plus tan x minus x plus c. So that divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, then finally we have y is equal to, so ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ split ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so secant x plus tan x, secant x plus tan x minus x plus c whole divided by secant x plus tan x. So ಈ step, this is enough. So ಏನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ a minus b by c ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, a by c minus b by c, that is equal to secant x plus tan x, secant x plus tan x cancels, remaining is 1 minus of x plus c minus of x minus x plus c divided by secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x. This is the final answer. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ದೆನ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ secant x plus tan x, ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ y. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ secant x plus tan x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಸ್ a and this one as b. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? a minus b by c ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ a by c, secant x plus tan x divided by secant x plus tan x, that's value is 1 minus x plus c divided by secant x plus tan x. This is the required general solution for the given differential equation. First we have to express the given differential equation in standard form of LDE. So after that, comparing with standard form, given differential equation with the standard form, we have to write down the values of p and q. So then next step is we have to find the integration factor by using this formula. So after finding integration factor, directly we have to go through general solution, that is y into integration factor is equal to integration of integration factor into q whole dx plus c. So let's substitute integration factor and q. On simplification, finally we get the value of y, that is general solution. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, move on to next problem. Problem number 8. 8th one is very important one. Problem number 8 is important. Eighth one. Problem is cos square x into dy by dx plus y is equal to tan x. Cos square x into dy by dx plus y is equal to tan x. This is the problem. Firstly, dy by dx the coefficient ಏನಿದೆ? cos square x ಇದೆ. So but dy by dx standard form ಅಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx ನ coefficient ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That's why we have to divide. First we have to divide throughout that equation by cos square x. Divide by cos square x. So then we have dy by dx plus 1 by cos square x into y. 1 by cos square x is nothing but secant square x. Secant square x into y is equal to, so ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan x ಅಂದರೆ sin x by cos x into cos cube x ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ cos 1 by cos square x 1 by cos square x. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. tan x is nothing but sin x by cos x into 1 by cos square x, or that can also written as write on same as it is, tan x write on tan x only, then 1 by cos square x as secant square x. Okay, now the coefficient of dy by dx is 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆರಡು p ಮತ್ತೆ q it is a free from y variable ಇದೆ. So that's why call this as equation 1, because this is of the form LDE. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ? LDE, linear differential equation in y variable form ಇದೆ. Just compare equation 1 with dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. We get the values of p and q, that is p as secant square x and q as tan x into secant square x. Okay, so where p and q are free from y variables, therefore the given differential equation is linearly differential equation in y variable. So first step over. In second step we have to find the integration factor. Next our aim is to find integration factor by using the formula e to the power integration of p dx, p into dx. So this is equal to e to the power integration of, what is the value of p here? P is nothing but secant square x into dx. So this is equal to, what is the value of integration of secant square x? That is tan x. So again with integration factor, then our integration factor becomes e to the power tan x. Then our integration factor becomes e to the power tan x. So after finding integration factor, next our aim is to find general solution. Now our aim is to find general solution by using the formula. So we know the formula, that is y into integration factor is equal to integration of integration factor into q whole dx plus c. So now we know the values of integration factor and also q. Just substitute those values in this equation. So that is y into integration factor is e to the power tan x, okay, is equal to integration of e power tan x into q andrena tan x into secant square x into dx plus c. Now y is equal to y into e power tan x is equal to, I will take this as some I, this integral as some I plus c, where I is equal to, and then call this equation as equation star. Once we get the value of I, just substitute the I in this equation star, then we get the value of general solution. Okay, so where I is equal to, what is the value of I? Integration of e power tan x into secant square x into dx. We can evaluate this integral by using the substitution method. Because nodri illu tan x ide, illu secant square x ide, tan x na differentiate madre nimage secant square x siguttane. That's why we have to use the substitution. Put tan x is equal to t. So on differentiating we get secant square x into dx is equal to dt. Secant square x into dx is equal to dt sigutte. Then our integral becomes I is equal to integration of e to the power tan x is nothing but t into tan x is nothing but again t into secant square x into dx is nothing but dt. Secant square x into dx is nothing but what? dt. Notice the secant square x into dx is dt. Now to evaluate this one, not really product of two different functions ಇದೆ, product of two functions ಇದೆ. So to evaluate integration of product of two functions, we have to use which rule? Integration by parts. So here this is first function and this is second function. So now I is equal to integration of first function, that is t into integration of e power t. Integration of e power t is e power t and direct ಬರೆದಿನಲ್ಲಿ integration of e power t is e power t minus integration of differentiation of t is 1, integration of e power t is e power t, e power t into 1 is e to the power t into dt. So this is equal to I is equal to t e power t minus again integration of e power t, no, e power t only, e power t plus c. So all plus c already ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ನೆಸಿಟಿನಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡೋಣಂತೆ. Now t is replaced by what is the value of t here? ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿ ನಾವು? t is nothing but tan x. Now replace those t's by tan x, then we have I is equal to, so ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ e power t is common. From these two terms we can take e power t as common because this is present in both the terms. E power t is common in both the terms, that's why take down e power t as common, and remaining is t minus 1. So now replace this t by tan x. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, tan x is equal to t ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. So after simplification replace that t by those substitution, corresponding substitution, that is tan x. Then we have I is equal to e to the power tan x into tan x minus 1 into tan x minus 1. Now substitute the value of I in equation star, substitute the value of I, barkodri, substitute the value of I in equation star, then equation star becomes y into e power tan x, e to the power tan x is equal to I is nothing but this one, e power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus integral constant c. This is the required general solution for the given differential equation. Artha ಆಗಿದೆನಪ್ಪ? Important one. This is important one because to solve this equation we are using two rules. First one is substitution, after substitution we are using integration by parts. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೆನಪಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಟಿ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಟಿ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಇ ಪವರ್ ಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಓಕೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, integration of x e power x is e power x of x minus 1. Just we are using that formula. Okay, this next problem, next problem, that is problem number 9th one. The problem is x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square log x. This is also important one and easy tumba easy ಇದೆ ಇದು. X into dy by dx plus 2 into y is equal to x square into log x. This is the different given differential equation. So first to evaluate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ first we have to convert or we have to express the coefficient of dy by dx as 1. So here coefficient of dy by dx ಏನಿದೆ x ಇದೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು, to express that into or to convert that into 1, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, we have to divide throughout that equation by x. Divide throughout this equation by x, then we have dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to x square by x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x log x is equal to x log x. Call this as equation 1. Compare equation 1 with dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So on comparing this equation with this differential equation, then we have p is equal to 2 by x and q is equal to x log x. Q is equal to x log x. So once we got the values of p and q, so next our aim is to, second step is once the first step over, so this is the first step, P and Q values find out, that is the first step. So after finding P and Q, so our aim is to find integration factor. So by using the formula, integration factor is equal to e to the power integration of P into dx. So that is e to the power integration of P is nothing but what? 2 by x. 2 by x into dx. So this is equal to 2 is constant coefficient, integration e to the power 2 into integration of 1 by x is log x. 1 by x na integration log x agutte. Last class already helidene m log n can be done as log of n to the power m. Then 2 log x ne anta bareyodu log of x to the power 2 or log x square anta bareyodu. This is equal to e to the power log x square, e power log x square, our integration factor. So exponential log cancel agutte. Finally we have integration factor is equal to x square. So our integration factor is x square. Once you got the value of integration factor, so that is step 2 is over. So third step is how to find general solution. General solution. For that nodile we have to use the formula y into integration factor is equal to integration of integration factor into q whole dx plus c. We have to use this formula. Already we know the value of integration factor and q, just substitute those values in this equation. Then we have y into integration factor is x square is equal to integration of what is the value of integration factor here? X square into q value is x log x. Q value is x log x whole dx plus c. So then this is implicit y into x square is equal to integration of x cube into x is x square into x is x cube. So that is x cube log x into dx agutte plus c. X cube log x into dx plus c. Now to evaluate this we have to use the formula. X square x cube another one function, log x another one function, that is product of two functions ಇದೆ. So integration of product of two functions integrals evaluate ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ we have to use integration by parts. So by using first function ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, u is equal to isolate I inverse trigonometric function ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, logarithmic function ಇದೆ yes ಇದೆ. So that is our first function, log x is first function, whatever it may be, remaining thing is that will act as second function. So now this is implies that y into x square is equal to first function write on as it is, that is log x into integration of second function. Second function is x cube, integration of x cube is x to the power 4 by 4 howda minus differentiation of first function. Here first function is log x, derivative of log x is 1 by x into integration of second function, that is x to the power 4 by 4 whole dx. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ log x as it is, second function is x cube, integration of x cube is x to the power 4 by 4 minus differentiation of first function, that is 1 by x into integration of second function, that is x to the power 4, x cube is the second function, integration of that one is x to the power 4 by 4. Now this is implicit y into x square is equal to ನೋಡಿ x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು x cube ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So write down this as it is, x to the power 4 into log x whole divided by 4, x to the power 4 into log x whole divided by 4 minus 1 by 4 into, so again x cube ಇದೆ, integration of x cube is what, x to the power 4 by 4, integration of x cube ಇದೆ, integration of x cube is x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Now this is implicit y into x square is equal to, so really 4 4s are 16, here 4 is there, so LCM is 16 is LCM, and then 4 4 is 16 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, first term becomes 4 into x to the power 4 log x minus, so 16 cancel, 1 into x to the power 4 is x to the power 4 plus c. So athwa we can write this as c, because so constant into constant is again a constant, or ಲೀವ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀರಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವು ಬರೆದ್ರು ಓಕೆ, ಬರೆದಂಗಿದ್ರು ಓಕೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ. ನಾವು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ as ಕಾಮನ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ y ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ 4 ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 16 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅನ್ನ log x 4 log x minus 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕು. ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ y is equal to x to the power 4 divided by x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? x square 4 minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 minus 2 is 2. x square by 16 into 4 log x minus 1 plus c into x power minus 2. This is the required solution. This is the required solution of this given, general solution of this given linear differential equation, is given differential equation. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರೋದು ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎನಫ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓವರ್. ಶುಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸು, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 10th ಒನ್. Tenth one. This is also important problem. ಹಾಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿನೂ ಇದೆ ಇದು. The problem is x log x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 by x into log x. 2 by x into log x. This is the given differential equation. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್, ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ dy by dx ಹಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ x log x. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು 1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ x log x. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ? x log x. x log x ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ x log x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ dy by dx plus y divided by x log x is equal to 2 divided by ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ x ಇದೆ. ಸೊ log x into x log x into log x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ log x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, x into x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 by x log x ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಇದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ x log x ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. log x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್, 2 1 2, x into x is x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ ಅಂತ? ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ವಿತ್ compare equation 1 with dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Then we have p is equal to 1 by x log x and q is equal to 2 by x square. Then we have p is equal to 1 by x log x and q is equal to 2 by x square. Once we get the value of p and q, so the step 1 is over. In second step we have to find integration factor. So we know the formula for integration factor. that is e to the power integration of p into dx. Substitute the value of p here, then we have e to the power integration of p is nothing but 1 by x log x into dx, 1 by x log x into dx. So this is equal to ನೋಡಿ log x ನ ನೀವು t ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಸೊ put ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, put log x is equal to t, then ಇದರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by x into dx is equal to dt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 by x into dx is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. then our integration factor becomes, integration factor is equal to e to the power integration of 1 by x into dx is nothing but dt. 1 by x ನೋಡಿ 1 by x into dx, that is nothing but dt. first ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ dt divided by log x is nothing but t. log x ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. 1 by x into dx is dt, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಬರೋದು ಅದಷ್ಟು 1 by x into dx, that is dt. divided by log x ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಇನ್ನು 1 by log x ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, log x is nothing but t. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dt by t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ is equal to e to the power integration of dt by t is log t, that is log t. so now exponential log cancels, remaining is t. therefore integration factor is equal to ಏನಿದೆ t ಇದೆ. so t is nothing but ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, substitution of log x ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. therefore t is nothing but log x. in place of t I have to write down log x. therefore our integration factor is log x, that is the integration factor. so this step is very 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 important step. ಓಕೆನಾ, ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಲಾಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ತುಂಬ ಜನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ನ. ಸೊ ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ, 1 by x into dx is equal to dt ಆಯಿತು. ದೆನ್ our integration factor becomes e to the power integration of dt by t. so integration of dt by t is nothing but log t. exponential ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹಿತ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ನ ಬೇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ e ಇದೆ. so those two get cancels, remaining is t only. t is nothing but log x. is it clear? okay na. now we have to find general solution. for that I have to use the formula y into integration factor is equal to integration of integration factor into q whole dx plus c. We have to use this formula. so we know the value of integration factor and q value. q value is 2 by x square, integration factor is log x. substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, y into integration factor is log x is equal to integration factor ಏನಪ್ಪ log x into q value 2 by x square. substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, whole dx plus c. now so ನೋಡಿ log x is one function, 1 by x, 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, 1 by x square is another function. we can evaluate this integral by using integration by parts. so here Euler formula, first I inverse trigonometric ಇಲ್ಲ, L logarithmic function ಇದೆ. so therefore log x is the first function, 1 by x square is second function. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ನಾನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು 1 by x square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. so that is our second function. then y into log x is equal to 2 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ರಿ, 2 ಕಾಮನ್. ಅದು ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ, ಏನು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಅದಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ 2 is the common. okay, first function log x into integration of 1 by x square. what is the value of integration of 1 by x square? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1 by x. ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಈ 1 by x square can also written as x to the power minus 2. integration of x to the power minus 2 is x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 2 plus 1 is nothing but x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1. so that is minus 1 by x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? integration of 1 by x square ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, that is minus 1 by x plus sorry plus ಅಲ್ಲ, minus ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನು, minus integration of differentiation of first function is log x, derivative of log x is 1 by x into integration of second function, that is minus integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x whole dx plus c. so then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, this also this 2 is multiplied for this term also. Then y into log x is equal to 2 into minus log x divided by x, minus into minus plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, integration of 1 by x square, x into x is x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, whole dx plus c. Now again y into log x is equal to 2 into minus of log x by x, again integration of 1 by x square है minus 1 by x, minus 1 by x plus c. This is the integral fact, integration. Or ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ y into log x is equal to ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 by x as ಕಾಮನ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ minus 2 by x into log x plus 1 plus c. This is a final answer, simplified answer. So this is the required general solution for the given linear differential equation. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? p ಮತ್ತೆ q ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. So this step is very important. Integration factor already explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ನ. After finding integration factor we have to find the general solution by using this formula. So here to evaluate this limit, integration, to evaluate this integration we have to use integration by parts method. So first function into integration of second function minus integration of differentiation of first function into integration of second function. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 11. ಲೆವೆಂತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ತುಂಬ ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದು. ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ 1 plus x square into dy. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. 2 to 3 times 5 marks ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. into dy plus 2xy into dx is equal to cot x into dx. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dx ನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಗೆ ಬೋತ್ x and y ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? x ಮತ್ತು y ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಇದೆ dxಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ದಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ dx. dy ಮತ್ತು dx ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ dy by dx ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ dy ಇದೆ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ dx ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ dx ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, x ಮತ್ತು y ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ dx, differential coefficient dx, which has a multiple of both x and y variables. ಈ differential coefficient ಗೆ both x and y are multiples ಇದೆ. So that's why compulsory this equation is divisible by dx. Next dy by dx ಇದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದರ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 plus x square ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು 1 ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ 1 plus x square. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ throughout that equation by 1 plus x square into dx. 1 plus x square into dx ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ dy by dx. 1 plus x square cancels, remaining is dy by dx plus dx cancels, remaining is 2x divided by 1 plus x square into y. ಹೌದಾ? 2xy ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ 2x divided by 1 plus x square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ into y, which is equal to dx cancels, remaining is cot x divided by 1 plus x square. Call this as equation 1. Compare equation 1 with dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Then we have p is equal to 2x divided by 1 plus x square and q is equal to cot x divided by 1 plus x square. So first step is over. P and the q values find out madira. So those two functions are free from y variable. Therefore, this given differential equation is of the form LDE in variable y. Okay, first step is over. Second step is to find integration factor. So now I have to find integration factor. So by using the formula e to the power integration of p into dx. Next we have to find integration factor by using the formula e to the power integration of p dx. So that is e to the power integration of p and then 2x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. So this is equal to e to the power integral alli integral ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ integral function ಅಲ್ಲಿ just observe the integral function once. In integral function denominator is 1 plus x square and numerator is 2x. Just differentiate the denominator. Denominator na differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ numerator ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ integration of f dash of x divided by f of x ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ. integration of f dash of x divided by f of x ನ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು? That is log of f of x. Agar integration of this one is log of, here f of x is nothing but 1 plus x square. So now log exponential and log, those two gets cancels. Remaining is our integration factor is 1 plus x square. Iವೆರಡು cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹಿತ ಬೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, exponential ಸಹಿತ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹಿತ ಏನಿದೆ exponential ಸಹಿತ ಬೇಸ್ ಇದೆ. So those two get cancels. Remaining is 1 plus x square. That is our integration factor. Once you get the value of integration factor, next our aim is to find general solution. General solution by using the formula yavado standard formula y into integration factor is equal to integration of integration factor into q whole dx plus c. Now we know the values of integration factor and also the value of q. Just substitute those values in this equation. Then we have y into integration factor is 1 plus x square is equal to integration of integration factor is 1 plus x square into q value is cot x divided by 1 plus x square whole dx plus c. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 plus x square into cot x divided by 1 plus x square ಇದೆ. 1 plus x square cancels. Then we have y into 1 plus x square is equal to integration of cot x. Integration of cot x ಏನು log of sin x ಹೌದಾ? log of mod sin x plus c. This is the required general solution for the given linear differential equation. Or this can also done as in terms of y ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ y is equal to log of mod sin x plus c whole divided by 1 plus x square. That's all. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ? So this is p, this is q. So after finding p and q we have to find integration factor by using this formula. So here integral function is of the form 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So denominator differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ numerator ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ integration ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So that is log of denominator, log of 1 plus x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ನ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಸಹಿತ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ನ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಸಹಿತ ಎ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವುಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. therefore those two gets cancels. Remaining is 1 plus x square. So now by using this formula we have to find the general solution. Okay, is it clear? Next move on to problem number 13th problem. The problem is x into dy by dx minus plus y minus x plus xy into cot x which is equal to 0. So this is also important one. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ So here observe here, first ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx ನ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ dy by dx, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ, dy by dx ಪ್ಲಸ್ y by x ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, y ಇಂಟು ಕಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ y ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ. ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅನ್ನೋ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ y ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಟು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ dy by dx plus from these two terms I will take x y as common, remaining is 1 by x plus cot x. y ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, y ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಉಳಿತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 1 by x ಉಳಿಯಿತು, ಈ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿತು, ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಯರ್ ಯಾವುದೇ y ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ equation 1 and also compare equation 1 with standard value, that is dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ on comparing this equation with the standard equation, then we have the value of p, that is 1 by x plus cot x, and also the value of q, that is 1. The q value is 1. So after finding p and q values, after finding r and r values, p and q values, we have to find integration factor. So by using the formula, ತುಂಬಾ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, that is e to the power integration of p dx. So this is equal to e to the power integration of p ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ, 1 by x plus cot x, 1 by x plus cot x into dx. So this is equal to e to the power, split ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ integration of 1 by x into dx is log x, 1 by x into dx is log x plus integration of cot x into dx is log sin x, log sin x, correct alva, integration of cot x is log of sin x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now our integration factor is equal to e to the power, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾರ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನಿದೆ, ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಇದು, ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದು ಅದನ್ನ, ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನಾವು exponential log and cancel, finally integration factor is equal to x sin x. Finally we have our integration factor as x sin x. Now our aim is to find general solution. General solution by using the formula y into integration factor is equal to integration of integration factor, okay, into q whole dx plus c. So here y into integration factor ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, x into sin x is equal to integration of, again integration factor is x into sin x, q is 1 into x into sin x is x sin x only, whole dx plus c. So y into x sin x plus, I will take this as I plus c, where I is equal to integration of x sin x into dx. Call this as equation star, call it as equation star. So next by parts formula use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. here first function is x, second function is sin x, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ i ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ x sin x ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಓಕೆ. ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. i is equal to first function x into second function is sin x, integration of sin x is minus cos x, minus of integration of differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of first function, differentiation of x is 1, integration of sin x is minus cos x into dx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ i is equal to minus x cos x, minus into minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್, integration of cos x is sin x plus c. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ equation star becomes y into x sin x, y into x sin x is equal to, so I na value ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ, I is nothing but sin x, first positive term na ಬರ್ತೀನಿ sin x minus x cos x, x cos x plus constant is constant. This is the required general solution for the given linear differential equation. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? So this finishes general solution of a given linear differential equation. Next class we will discuss particular solution of a linear differential equation. Same up to general solution same irutte. So particular solution andre by using initial condition we have to find the value of c. So after finding the value of c we have to replace that c by that particular value. So then arbitrary constants ಯಾವುದಿರಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ solution ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so that type of solutions are said to be particular solutions. Already ನಾವು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸೆಪರಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.